Yeah. Let me come over there. Oh. Okay, here, hold it.
Should I go over there real quick?
I'll hold it, actually.
Joe, I know the best way to do it. Ready? Now watch this. No, Joe, watch this.
No, I'm not. I got it.
No, I'm going to go and then...
Okay, go.
Wait a second. Here we go.
Come over here. Oh my God, you're retarded. Here.
Oh.
Okay, if I throw this to you, you're gonna catch it.
No, not yet. I can't get a good...
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Throw it.
Yeah, push.
You ready? No.
When you ready. I'm ready. Joe, try and put your feet on the side of it, but don't put it in.
Okay. Oh, what for?
He failed.
Oh my God!
Here, Joe.
Yeah. Let's try that again.
Take this. Here, Joe, you gotta do this.
Oh, my head. Okay. Oh, it's so deep right there.
Oh, you want me to get it? Here,
I was trying to get over there.
take it.
I got to do Joe.
Oh, no.
Let me get this.
I'll go next.
Ready? Here, hand me.
I don't want to go. I'll show you what to do.
No, I want to do something.
Let's do this.
No, let me go.
Oh,
I have something planned to do. Here.
oh, that sucks.
You're retarded.
Joe, shut up.
Soak that in the water. Just give me the tire.
Here, now come get it.
Okay. Oh. Tarandi!